I'll do this video again, and this is the last time I'll do it, because anytime I talk about token splash, you guys will start asking how to do it. Use my referral link to open an account. Use that partner link to open an account on Bybit. Referral code is nature, everything capital letter. Then if you come to your Bybit, you should have $100, at least 101, 103. So you come to more. You come to token splash. If you come to token splash, this is the 2 new events that came out this 13 days and SGA. This is the 2 newest one. If in that you have high possibility chance of winning. New user. If you're a new user and you're opening an account now, your chances of winning is much more higher and much more reward. So on your main account, come and do join now. If you come to AEG, you tap join now, you tap register. You have done for me, I can't do it. If you have done it, you come to SCA, tap join now, register. If you have done the two, if you've registered the two, what you just have to do is to fund your Bybit $100. You can fund your Bybit using any method. After you've registered these two now, that is the latest event, fund your Bybit $100. If you have the $100 is already on your Bybit, you can send it to me or any of my admin. Send it to them. They'll send it back to you. Once they send it back to you, it will count as a $100 deposit. Once it has done that, you come back here, you will see trade. Okay, this one gives you $5. This event for old user, but for new user, you will get $30. Then I'll make a video. I will tell you what to do for new user now. So once you have done that, just trade 100 USDT on AEG. If you buy the coin, you sell it back. Use limit when buying. Then you come to SCA. After you've do it, you get 20 SCA. Okay, SCA needs $200 deposit. So all you just have to do is to fund $100 twice. I think it will count. So you buy, you sell, nothing else. Then for new user, use that my referral link again. Make sure you're using the partner link on the group. Use my referral link. Open another account. Find who will verify an account for you. If the person has verified the account for you, you do this token splash. You have high chances of winning 40 SCA, which is likely $40 and $30 from these two events. So you can run 10 accounts just for these two events. So you have high chances of winning $40 and $30. I believe you understand. But make sure that you use the partner link on the group. So that is it. If you have questions, you ask me. I'm not going to do video again. No, save them.